Hi, this is Jim Black with the Jim Black Group at Keller Williams Realty, and today we're going to talk about what to do when you're buying or selling a house that has unpermitted work. Whether you're buying or selling a house, this is something you really want to consider. If you're going to buy a home, it's really important. Go to the town hall and find out if there's work being done on the house that has not been permitted, or if there's outstanding permits. You may want to look at public records and figure out if the square footage seems off, doesn't show that there's a garage. Really just find out that everything that's been done there has been done, by following the rules and pulling a permit. With that being said, we're also seeing that a lot of bank appraisers are coming out and they are checking with the town hall to see if the work has been permitted as well. So if you're a seller of a home, you want to consider this as well. You want to make sure that if you have work, like you upgraded your electric panel without a permit, you finished your basement without a permit, you added an addition to the house without a permit, put a roof on without a permit, there's all kinds of things that it would probably make sense to actually dig into that ahead of time, talk to the building inspector, see what the remedy would be, because it's going to be different from town to town. But you want to head that off before you end up in the middle of a sale where you're moving across the state or across the country and the deal dies because you had this work that was unpermitted and either the appraiser caught it or the home inspector caught it or the buyer caught it or their agent caught it. You really want to protect yourself and make sure you have a smooth process and a smooth transaction. So when you're meeting with your real estate agent, if you know there's unpermitted work, tell them about it and come up with a plan as to how you're going to get through that process without having an issue. And if you can't, you got to disclose it. You got to let the people know on the other side of the transaction, we finished the basement without a permit. We, upgraded the electrical without a permit, whatever that is. So there's no surprise later and you're not getting sued or something crazy. So really when it comes to the unpermitted work, I'd suggest don't do it from the get-go. Definitely hire an agent that knows how to handle it if you have. So if there's any other questions about this topic, definitely reach out to us. We're happy to help in any way we can.